We're reviewing the XSR 900 with the Kelpie exhaust. I like the red and whites with the gold rims. Looks really nice. Frank is gonna ride my GSXS 1000. Let's get on this thing. Got the nice little TFT. Looks like 3-inch. Woo! The Kelpie. That Kelpie exhaust sounds so good. The clutch pull is really light compared to the GSXS 1000. This bike has really good power. You just got to get it in third gear. Second gear is kind of dead. Definitely has enough power. If you saw my last video, I complained about the seat a lot. The seat is really hard. But fourth gear pull is really good. Really agile too. Feels pretty light. Brakes are really good. Has a Brembo master cylinder. Doesn't have Brembo calipers, but the brakes are actually really good. Actually better than my GSXS 1000 brakes. Woo! Sounds so good. At triple. This is actually my first triple. I like this bike. Brakes are really sensitive, and it's usually a Yamaha thing where the brakes are spongy, but they got these brakes set up nice. Very nice bike, I like it. My only complaints is the seat. See if Frank wants to switch back. But yeah, I I really like this bike. Has cruise control, TFT. How was it?
Dude, I think it's so friggin' smooth.
Did it feel faster?
Huh?
Feel faster?
I would say so, but
Or it's just smooth?
it's definitely like has more. I think slightly, not like crazy though, but yo, this thing just like stable, man. Like looking at it, I'm like, damn, where are they going? It wants to go.
Yeah.
Like, but I'm kind of scared. Like it gives you that kind of like a false sense of like, because you know, like the bike feels so stable. You ever feel like this is so freaking stable, and then suddenly you make the turn, it's like, oh shit.
Yeah.
How stable it is, but then you like make that turn, it's like, oh, it's actually a pretty tight turn. That kind of scares you a little bit.
I feel like this bike, you don't really need body position. It just dips in so easy. This bike.
So easy, right? But this one is so stable, man. It just makes you want to like go faster and faster until
You got a ticket.
you run out of your skill. Definitely, like, dude. I don't know why you would like, dude, like, keep this.
Yeah, it's a good bike. I have no complaints.
Big bike, man. If you want to tour on it, probably put a windshield. I think I'm pretty sure they have like aftermarket like cruise controls, but I don't know. It's so smooth, man.
Yeah.
I was thinking about triple cylinders being so freaking smooth. And then you get to try like a four cylinder, and you're like, damn. Definitely my next bike is gonna be a four cylinder.
MT10. Get an MT10.
Maybe I'll get 1,000 then my next bike. Maybe.
They're easy to ride because there's different modes. There's different modes, so it's easy to ride.
Yeah, until you get used to it. I'm so jealous of your seat, man. It's just the smoothness of it, man. It's just, you're going so fast and you don't even notice it.
That's what gets you into trouble.
Yeah, exactly. Like, fuck, I'm like, alright. I feel like this is why this guy's going fast. And for some reason, this actually has really good wind protection.
Really?
I think it's just because
Maybe because of this. Because I have fairings on the side.
and like your front end, I think it's like so much stuff that breaks your wind up there.
Oh, this too probably.
With mine, it's pretty much like the headlight. You got like all this.
And I have all this too.
And that too, it's like so freaking wide, man.
It still has fairings even though it's naked.
But
Like down there too.
Mine, like, oh, you even have like the belly panel.
Yeah.
Ah. Enough of like other bikes, 'cause that's